Hey there, welcome back to Pacer Talks About Bullying. I'm Bailey, we're glad you're here. This week, we are so excited to be sharing a brand new campaign with you. Include Someone, Make a Difference. In collaboration with Pacer's National Bullying Prevention Center, Cartoon Network's Stop Bullying, Speak Up, and 826 National, this campaign has the goal of inspiring kids around the country to make a difference by including others. While there are a ton of amazing resources in this campaign, we wanted to take some time today to talk about a resource designed especially for educators, the Include Someone Kit. This kit is designed for educators to engage elementary school students about acts of inclusion they can do in their school or community. In today's episode, we're going to spend some time unboxing this Include Someone kit. So let's get into the episode. Once you have your Include Someone kit, you'll find a ton of amazing resources inside. First up is the Idea Guide for Educators. This has more details about what's included in the kit, as well as ideas on how to use this kit with your students. After the Idea Guide, you'll find the colorful 18 by 24 poster, which you can see displayed right here behind me. This poster has more ideas on how to get your students involved in this campaign. After the poster, you'll find 10 copies of the How Will You Include Others flyers. The How Will You Include Others flyer is a great activity to get your students thinking about ways they can include others in their school or community. Encourage everyone to write their ideas down on these bubbles and then display for others to read and be inspired with new ideas. After this flyer, you'll find the inclusion stickers. These colorful and durable stickers are a great item to give to your students after they fill out the How Will You Include Others flyer. These stickers have some great messages on them and are a reminder that students can keep all year round. After the stickers, the last item that you'll find in the kit are these inclusion cards. These inclusion cards come on perforated paper so you can break them up into 50 cards. They have more ideas about how students can be inclusive in their school or community. Now, encourage your students to go and include, whether they do one of the acts on these cards or the act they previously wrote down on the How Will You Include Others flyer. Once they've done their act of inclusion, encourage them to record that they included at includesomeone.com. And that's everything in the kit. The Include Someone kit has enough materials for 50 elementary school students, and the only charge is shipping and handling. Order one kit for $5, 10 kits for $25, or 50 kits for $50. Along with the Include Someone kit, we also have a ton of great digital resources available for kids and educators on our website. Visit includesomeone.com to order your kit today and learn more about this amazing campaign. That's all that we have for this week's episode of Pacer Talks About Bullying. We'll see you right back here next week, and remember, together we can create a world without bullying. See ya!